Erick Nielsen Enterprises provides custom orchard services throughout the state, mostly the Central Valley, and that includes prune and pistachio harvesting, almond harvesting, brush shredding, brush raking. E&E was started in the early 1970s by Erick Nielsen, my dad, as he got out of college and was trying to figure out what he wanted to do. He had worked for a neighbor of his harvesting prunes on some of the earliest developed prune shakers, and he enjoyed that. So he started farming, started building some equipment in his grandfather's barn, and did commercial work for local growers, and it grew from there.
What I like in agriculture and prunes, every day is different. From fruit coming out to machines, equipment, repairs, long days, short days, kind of everything in between. So I kind of like that, especially in prunes. It's a very short window that we need to get this done in. So I want to make sure it gets to all our customers. I like prunes. I like eating them off the trees out here. I like them dried. I remember growing up, a lot of my family grew up, farming or in prunes. So they'd take us some bags of dried prunes and didn't know really what they were when I was eating them when they were younger. And come out here and this is what it is.